Did you know that one of America's greatest engineering marvels was built during the toughest times? Welcome to the Hoover Dam, a concrete giant that tamed the wild Colorado River and powered the American dream. From 1931 to 1936, over 21,000 workers braved blistering heat and perilous heights to build this colossal structure. At its peak, more than 5,000 men worked tirelessly, pouring over 3 million cubic yards of concrete. Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the U.S., holds enough water to flood the entire state of New York under a foot of water. This dam provides power to millions in Nevada, Arizona, and California. Today, Hoover Dam is a major tourist destination, drawing nearly 7 million visitors every year. People come from all over to witness this testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. The dam's stunning Art Deco architecture, adorned with Native American motifs, makes it a masterpiece of design as well as engineering. So the next time you're in the West, don't miss the chance to visit Hoover Dam, a symbol of American resilience.